Insurance is ever-changing. New age players are entering the market, bringing in fresh, feature-loaded plans that are making traditional insurers rethink their strategies. Today, we're comparing two such game changers, Acko Platinum and Aditya Birla Activ 1 Max. Both plans have been creating buzz for different reasons. Acko for its aggressive pricing and unlimited coverage option, and Aditya Birla for its feature-packed, highly customizable plan that offers benefits most insurers haven't introduced yet. So, in this video, we'll break it down in simple terms. Who are these plans actually for? What makes them stand out? What potential drawbacks do you need to be aware of? And most importantly, should you even consider them? Hello folks, you're watching Ditto Insurance. I am Shashank, your host, and before we begin, let me remind you that health insurance is not just about picking the plan with the most features or the lowest price. It's about choosing a plan that works for you. That's exactly why Ditto exists, to help you make the right decision without being missold. So, if you're looking for unbiased, expert-backed advice, book a free call with us today. The link is in the description. Let's begin by looking at the basics. Acko is relatively a new entrant in the insurance space. They started in 2016 as a digital-first insurer focusing on car and bike insurance. Fast forward to today, they've jumped into health insurance sector with bold promises: zero waiting periods, unlimited restoration, and sky-high sum insured options. On the other hand, Aditya Birla Health Insurance has been around for 8 years, and in this time, they've launched some pretty solid plans, including Active Health, Active Assured, and now Activ 1 Max. This new plan has taken a unique approach by offering a mix of wellness incentives, chronic disease coverage, and innovative restoration benefits. A plan is only good as the insurer backing it, right? Let's check out their track record. Acko has a CSR, that is claim settlement ratio, of 96%, which is decent for a new insurer. But their complaint ratio is on a higher side at 17 complaints per 10,000 claims. This means their claim process is still stabilizing. Aditya Birla has a claim settlement ratio of 96.7%, and their complaints per 10,000 claims stands at 11.4, which is slightly better. So, while both insurers are relatively young, Aditya Birla has had more time to refine its claims process. Now, let's see what these two plans have in common. No room rent limit, no co-payment, coverage for pre- and post-hospitalization expenses, restoration benefits to refill your coverage, Ayush, domiciliary and daycare covered. Pretty standout features for premium health insurance plans. What else do they offer? Let's look at some standout features, because that's where things get interesting. Starting with Acko Platinum, it has taken a bold approach, and let me tell you why. They've removed a lot of restrictions and introduced some jaw-dropping benefits. First, zero waiting period option. Most insurers make you wait 2 to 3 years for PD coverage. Acko claims you can skip this waiting period depending on your medical assessment. This is rare in the industry. Second, unlimited restoration. If your base sum insured gets used up, Acko automatically refills it. This unlimited restoration ensures you never run out of your coverage in a policy year. Third, unlimited sum insured option. This is Acko's biggest talking point. They allow coverage beyond 1 crore, that is literally unlimited. But do you really need unlimited coverage? We'll answer that in a bit. Fourth, highly affordable premiums. Acko is aggressively priced. A 1 crore cover costs around 11,000 rupees per year for a single adult, one of the cheapest in the industry. But wait, what's the catch? You see, for all the flashy benefits, Acko has some concerns. Claim processing is still evolving. You see, with higher complaints, we need to see if their claim process improves over time. 3-year waiting period for some PEDs, despite the zero waiting period pitch. So this depends on your medical assessment. For some conditions, you'll still have to wait. Limited track record. At just 4 or 5 years in health insurance, it's still a young player, meaning long-term service quality is untested. Now, let's see what Aditya Birla Activ 1 Max brings to the table. First, ABCD++ coverage for chronic illnesses. They provide day 1 coverage for conditions like diabetes, asthma, and hypertension, a rare feature that makes it easier for those with lifestyle diseases to get insured. Second is the health returns. Aditya Birla rewards you for staying active. If you complete around 10,000 steps per day, you can earn up to 100% renewal discount on premiums. Terms and conditions apply though. Third, super great inflation protection. Your sum insured increases by 6x over 6 years, regardless of whether you make a claim or not. This helps offset medical inflation over time. Fourth is the maternity benefits. Unlike Acko, which doesn't have a maternity add-on, Aditya Birla provides comprehensive maternity coverage, including IVF and embryo freezing expenses. Fifth is the Claim Protect benefit. They cover 100% of your hospital bill, including those non-medical expenses like gloves, PP kits, and syringes, which most insurers exclude. Okay, now what is the catch? Well, honestly, we don't see much concerns apart from the fact that this is a new age plan with limited historical data. While Aditya Birla has been around for 8+ years, this specific plan is still new, meaning pricing stability is yet to be tested. But Ditto is constantly working with them to ensure smooth process for our clients. Now, let's shift the focus back to Acko's unlimited sum insured. Sure, it does sound incredible, but here's the truth. Most medical procedures in India don't cross 1 crore in cost. For context, liver transplant can cost you anywhere upwards of 30-40 lakh rupees, cancer treatments upwards of 15 to 20 lakh rupees. The cases where you would actually need more than 1 crore rupees are extremely rare. While it sounds futuristic, it's more of a marketing hook than an essential feature. Now, Aditya Birla, on the other hand, expands the sum insured over time, making it a more practical long-term option. So, which one should you choose? You can consider Acko Platinum if you're young, healthy, and looking for maximum benefits at the lowest cost. Just be aware of their limited history and evolving claims process. Choose Aditya Birla Activ 1 Max if you want a tried and tested insurer with solid wellness benefits, day 1 chronic disease coverage, and long-term sum insured growth if you want your health insurance to grow along with you. At Ditto, we believe insurance should be personalized. If you're still confused about which plan suits you better, book a free call with our experts now. We'll help you figure out the best option based on your needs. Spam-free and pressure-free. So folks, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next comparison video. Until next time, happy insurance hunting.